These are the elevators at Mervis Hall at the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here we go. Go to the basement. These were obviously modernized. I'm not sure what brand this was originally, though. I believe this is hydraulic, but I'm not sure. Here at the basement, there are 3. Here's the basement. Oh. Yes, this is hydraulic. I believe this was originally an Otis, but that's just a guess. That fan doesn't sound too good. Here are 3. Nice atrium. We'll actually go to the basement since there's a front desk on 1. Capacity, I believe that may be original, but I don't know. ADA phone, I'm not exactly sure what that is. Maybe either the original panel or some fire panel. There's the fan or vent escape hatch. Very nice cab. This is a graduate school building of the University of Pittsburgh. Here at the basement. This is the basement. There's the clock. There it goes, and that's it.